What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC, and it's time to take a pit stop because today is gonna be a Thorific Thursday. Get it? So check it out. It doesn't look that big, but I got this mail day right here, and I am super excited. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what I got.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. You'll see here it says 5 pounds. 5 pounds of goodness. But we'll see. We'll see. This was advertised as near mint. And also, let's see. I just don't understand how they all fit in here because there's 23 issues. Whoops. And this will actually complete my set. I'm surprised I got it for a steal. Let's see. Let it go. Alright. Goodness gracious. So check out this packaging. Pretty great if you ask me. I don't know how they fit it in the box. Actually, let me go ahead and take this comic off and put on this easel. Great. I'd even test it out. Sorry, rookie. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. It's so tight. Looking around, it looks like right there, you'll see that, you know, there's some tearing, and also there was box damage when I opened it. But I'm hoping, here's the hoping, hope the highest of hopes, that everything's gonna be okay, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and, dog, quit. He's scratching. Let's go ahead and check it out. Yikes. Thinking about when I do my unboxings, about, you know, not doing the actual unboxing part, but what's the fun in that? I enjoy watching unboxing videos. But if you don't, please let me know in the comment section below and we'll figure it out. Let me see if I got the right side here. It's like a present. It's actually really good wrapping. Awesome. So this is the back. Turn it over. Yeah. These Monfreres are well packed. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with number 1. Thor, God of Thunder, number 1. I now have the complete Jason Aaron collection. I am current. Well, actually, I don't know if I have Unworthy Thor, but I do have all of Jane Foster Thor. So I'm gonna have to check that out. There's issue number 2. Number 3. I think these are all cover A's. I'm hoping. Oh, which, by the way, number 2, that was my second one. I just sold the other one to help pay for this lot. I did get number 2 out of a dollar bin way back in the day, and if you don't know, that's the first Necro sword, which is a Donny Cates Venom tie-in. Number 3. Number 4. Man, Odin in War of the Realms right now, and the current Thor, it's just crazy. I love it. Lady Freya, All Mother, All Father, all the brothers. I don't know. I am totally hooked in the Thor mythos right now. So why not? And here's number 5, and of course, the key of the century, which looks like there might be some creasing. You could use it press, but this is way better. This is my second copy of first appearance Null. Null. You may remember him from such hit comic books such as Venom, Donny Cates Time. I got 7, which, by the way, Esad Riddick is probably one of my favorite artists right now. Doing great on Conan. Number 8. Probably gonna read these over the long 4-day weekend. Number 9. Number 10. Here's to hoping I hit record. And number 11. God bomb. Conclusion. So let's go ahead and, man oh man. Go ahead and end that one right there. Start with number 12. 13. 14. These covers are sick. 15. Garney did a great job. Number 16. And number 17. So that concludes the Accursed storyline. We got number 18. Whoops. Dang. Number 19. So this starts off the last days of Midgard. I like how they put that number 1 in there, and then Esad Riddick is back on. Last Day of Midgard Part 2, number 20. Part 3, number 21. And Part 4. Part 5. I can't remember if 24 was Part 6. Well, let me see if I got them right here. Nope, I don't. But I do have them. I grabbed those in one of my haul videos. You can check those out. Had those not too long ago. And yeah. Might have to go get a short box. Oh, I found this one. This free comic book day from it was actually Halloween Comic Fest. Road to War of the Realms. Hold on. Nope. Sorry about that. I don't have it. It's in the other room where I'm forced to keep all my comics. But yeah. What do you think about my haul? Normally I'd be super excited, but it's getting kind of late in the evening. But yeah, I am super excited to have finally this God of Thunder, and I'm glad that I was patient and didn't pay like $200 like it was last year. Patience. So if you're gonna buy on like eBay, don't just hit that buy button because you can. I recommend that you just wait it out, and that way you can put your money towards other grails. For example, right now I'm working on the Adam Warlock grails and probably some other keys that people are specking on for MCU Phase 4 and 5. But yeah, thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, I'll see you at the next stop. And don't forget, if you come to the crossroads, don't forget to take the high road. This is High Road Comics, taking a detour.